Hi guys, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and I've come back with another video guys. So as you see in the title, today I will be reviewing and unboxing my ring light. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please welcome. I'm called Nancy and I do live in South France. So guys, if you're interested, let's go ahead and get started. By the way, I will be adding in some screenshots of the type of the light which I bought, and I bought this light from Amazon. So I'll be adding this screenshot showing you the price also. So guys, if you're interested, let's go ahead and get. So guys, as you can see, this is how the pack looks like. Actually, it's a little bit huge and it was actually delivered direct to my door. So guys, let me just show you what is inside. So we do have other paper in. So we just take out this, and inside we do have this box. So let's unveil what is inside here. So guys, inside the huge box there was this box. As you can see, this is where the light is. So let me just open this and I show you exactly what is inside. So inside here we do have this box, and again inside we do have the bag in case if you need to carry this around, I guess. Then we do have okay, so we do have this. Actually, I'll see exactly what is written on top. Then we do have this, just in case you're filming with your phone, to hold your phone, and there's also the battery and the charger, the cable to charge, sorry. So there's the battery and the cable. So our box is empty now. So let's reveal what is inside the box, what is in the bag, etc. So let's start with this. So guys, let's just see what is inside here. Okay, so we do have the tripod inside, and this is how it looks like. And I saw we do have the second material here. Okay, so let me just open this. And of course we do have the last piece, is this one. So guys, now let me just show you what is inside the bag. Actually, as you can see, okay, there's the menu, how to install this, and there's all the indications. So we do have these. Actually, I don't know, I'll show you exactly how to use this. Then we do have the white set also. This is the orange set and the white set. Then lastly, I guess. So this is how the light looks like actually, guys, and as you can see, this is the actual size of the head. So this is how the light looks like. So let me just try to fix this, then I'll come back with the final results, guys. So guys, let me just try to fix this because I'm not good in completing this. Actually, my husband take part most of the time, but I'll try to do it on my own. So as you can see, I think now this is like this. I open the legs, yes. So once I'm done, then this will be the next. Voila. So then I close this. Then lastly, we first close. Voila. So here we are okay. Then once we are done, then the next part will be if you want to make it taller, then you keep on adjusting just like this. For now, I'll just not go beyond this. Voila. So you keep on adjusting it. So that's how it works. Then lastly, so guys, as you can see, the light is like this. Then you need to pull this down. You need to open here, then you fix in the light, then you block it. So yeah, right now it's blocked. And as you can see, it's blocked just like this. So guys, as you can see, this is how it looks like now, and it's blocked here. So let me just keep on fixing the rest, then I'll show you how we look like when we are done. So I'll be trying to switch on the light. Actually, I discovered behind is the switch to switch it on and off. So this is how it looks like when it's on. By the way, I did not try the orange cover, so let's try and test while we are filming to see the results. So guys, as you can see, there was this, and actually it's a Bluetooth. You can connect it to the camera. It's just to start or to pause or to end while you're filming. So I'll connect this in my phone. So guys, as you can see, now we are going to test the light. Right now I'm using the natural light from the balcony, so let's to switch on. So this is how the first light, the first step of the light, how it looks like when I'm filming. For example, this is what gives. Then let's go to the second step. So the second step, this is how do I look like. Then let's go to the last step, I guess. Wow, it's too much. I don't see also. It's too much. So guys, and that is, I think, the last. So let's go back step by step. So this is the second one, and that's the quality, how it looks like. Yeah, and this is the lowest. As you can see now, this is the lowest a little bit. So let's try to shine the cover. I put the orange ones, then I'll give you the results. So let me try. I come a little bit closer. This is when they're off. On the first step, second, third, and the highest. So I will try to figure out exactly what is the best for me, but I guess I love the first. Now they are off. Let's to try the orange. This is how it looks like when I turn on, when I add the orange color, and this is the front view. So I guess once you order this, it's not a loss. And by the way guys, this is not sponsored by the company, I'm just sharing my honest review. So guys, yeah, I'll attach the pictures of the price, and I purchased this from Amazon. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So let's to test myself behind the camera while there is the orange cover. So guys, see you in a minute. So guys, we shall be trying with the orange cover to see how the pictures or the videos they will turn out. So let me switch on. That is the first one. I think this one looks great, and this is when it's I love this. Actually guys, I don't know, but I feel this brings out my color, and I don't know if I will be continuing filming with the orange one. First of all, check out the skin. Actually guys, Mossy, we love the orange one. I think we give the credit to the orange one. As you can see, check out how chocolate we are.
Moi j'ai essayé le dernier.
Guys, these are the videos which you'll be expecting when we are chocolate, as you can see. So guys, check out. Aren't we cute?
Moi j'adore.
Aren't we cute?
Yes.
We are cute. So let me try to get a little bit.
Moi j'adore le orange, c'est le meilleur.
Guys, so I tried on my daughter. This is
the best.
For me, I think guys, I prefer when we are just like this, and my daughter, she prefer when the lights they are totally at the end. But for me I feel this is the best.
En plus, imagine pour le TikTok.
So guys, that's what I had for today. And if you're new to my channel, please welcome. Don't forget to click that red button by subscribing to my channel. And if you've been here for a while, thank you so much for the love and support. See you in my next video.